In this video, we are going to talk about installing communication card and extended I/O card on Altivar process ATV630 and ATV930. I want to emphasize that the communication card actually mounts on the right side, which is slot A. The slot B is on the left, which is for extended I/O card. First, insert your communication card in slot A. Just slide it in there and then push. The second is the extended I/O module. Slide it into slot B and push it. Now you have both of the cards installed. Now we will remove these option cards. There is a tab on each card. Push that low tab and slide it out. Same for the communication card. Push the tab and slide it out. This concludes how to install and remove extended I/O and communication card on the Altivar process drives. Thank you for watching.